guys, welcome to Fabric by Singhania. Today we've got a great set of collection in Malchanderi embroidery fabrics which are perfect in nice pastel shades. So let's get started. Beautiful Malchanderi. Now we've got an exclusive collection of these Malchanderi starting off with this fabric. As you see here, it's in a beautiful shade of mint green color, very gorgeous to create any kurtis or co-ord sets. You can take a look at the yellow embroidery work also done and nice sequin work, which is very perfect to create any kind of casual wear outfits or workwear outfits too, be it for menswear or women's wear. Now this shade that we've selected is a very nice shade of pink color. It's very beautifully done and it's in a nice baby pink shade. As you see the embroidery work, it's a nice contrast of a darker pink, almost blush pink with nice green shade. You can take a look at the sequin work also and the embroidery work done very minimally. Perfect to create a co-ord set, or if you want to create a blouse piece for a nice cotton sari or chanderi sari, this fabric would look really beautiful on you and would really stand out if you're going for any pastel looks. Now this shade that you see is a very vibrant shade of yellow color Malchanderi fabric. Again, this also is perfect to create any puja function outfits or any haldi function outfit too. It's very bright and vibrant, so it looks perfect to create any kind of outfit. As you take a look at the blush pink color and green, it's very beautifully done. You can take at the sequin work also. So for a menswear kurta or for any short tunics too, this kind of fabric would look really different and unique on you. You can create nice sarees also with this, or a beautiful blouse piece to match with a nice saree. Now here what we are presenting to you is a muted shade of a cloud blue kind of color. It's very gorgeous and the Malchanderi fabric looks very soft. Now this fabric is perfect to create any menswear kurta or a nice women's wear kurti too. If you take a look at the work here, it's a nice yellow embroidery work and green color. You can also take a look at all of the sequin work, very nicely done across the fabric, making it look very different and unique, yet it's very subtle. So this minimal work is perfect to create any casual wear outfits. Even if you want to create a co-ord set with this kind of blue color, it would look just amazing and perfect on you. Now here we've selected a muted shade of pastel pink color. Very beautiful Malchanderi, very soft on your skin, would drape perfectly on you. If you want to create a nice dupatta, kurta or a suit set too, this fabric is ideal for it. You can take a look at all of the embroidery work done in nice pastel shade. You can see the sequin work also, very beautifully done, and the embroidery too looks really perfect. So you can create nice outfits with this, and you can take a look at all of the work. It's a nice shades of yellows, pinks and whites, which is just perfect for any kind of monsoon season outfits too. Now this fabric we've selected is a nice beige shade of Malchanderi fabric. Perfect to create a menswear outfit or a women's wear outfit too. Especially for menswear, you can create nice kurtas with this. You can create a beautiful vest also if you're going for something more lightweight. As you take a look at the embroidery work, it's beautifully done in nice floral embroidery with very light sequin work. As you take a look at the yellow shades, pink shades and green shades, it just looks really perfect and amazing. So you can create any kind of outfits with this kind of fabric and customize it perfectly, and our designers will help you through it. Now this next shade that you see is a nice pista green Malchanderi fabric. Again, this is very soft on you and you can create beautiful sarees with this if you're going for a nice casual look, or for your workwear also. If you want to create a kurta or a suit, this fabric would look very beautiful on you. You can customize this into a beautiful dupatta too by adding a nice border. As you take a look at all of the embroidery work, it's been delicately embroidered across with beautiful Malchanderi and nice sequin work. You can create kids wear outfits with this. You can create a nice lehenga for your kids, a kurti or even a dress would look really pretty with this kind of Malchanderi. Now if you want something more minimal, something that is more subtle for your style, these kind of Malchanderi fabrics which are a bit more subtle and has a light embroidery would look very nice on you. Now as you take a look at this peach shade of Malchanderi, it looks really perfect to create any blouse pieces or a nice shirt for yourself if you're going for an Indo-Western look. As you take a look at this yellow work and green work, it looks very nicely contrasting to this fabric. In a beautiful pastel shade, this fabric would be perfect to customize into any kind of modern outfits or Indian wear. That is the best part about these Malchanderi. They're very soft and breathable too, so it's perfect for this season. Now you can take a look at the sage green shade of Malchanderi fabric. Very soft on your eyes, very pleasing as well. Perfect to create a nice kurta, dupatta or a suit set. You can create beautiful lehengas too, or a kids wear outfit which is light and breathable, something that is more comfortable for them. As you take a look at all of this delicate embroidery work, it's done in nice white, yellow and pink shades, and you can see the light sequin work done on this fabric. Now this is perfect to create any kind of nice kurtis suit sets, A-line kurtas also can be created. Even if you want to create a nice summer dress, this fabric would look very nice on you. Pastel pink color Malchanderi, very soft and breathable, perfect to create a dupatta, kurta, or even if you want to create a nice suit set. As you take a look at the embroidery work, again this is very similar to the others. We've got a great set of collection in these colors of Malchanderi fabric, and we've got many more collections of Malchanderi here with nice cotton and linen embroidery fabrics too. One of which is this nice pastel pink color, beautifully done with nice contrast of yellows, pinks and greens, which gives a very beautiful effect. You can take a look at the sequin work also, it's very nicely done. Now you can create a nice dupatta, or even if you want to create a nice sari with this kind of fabric, it would look really different and unique. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit like and comment for more details. Subscribe to our channel for more such videos, and if you want to follow us on our social media pages, it is Fabric by Singhanias. Now if you want to know more about our customizations, you can visit our store at Banjara Hills Road number 1.